Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of ice fishing, and we've got a real gem for you: the Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 Ice Fishing Reel and Rod Combo. If you're an ice fishing enthusiast or looking to get started, this is the perfect tool to have in your arsenal. Stick around to find out why. The Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 Ice Fishing Reel and Rod Combo is a top-notch choice for ice anglers. It's known for its heritage and durability, carrying on the tradition of the original Ugly Stik while adding some modern touches. This combo includes a 26 light-action rod paired with a size 20 spinning reel, specially designed for ice fishing applications. This reel is perfectly suited for ice fishing, offering smooth and reliable performance. The spool is made from lightweight yet durable aluminum, ensuring long-lasting use. The rod features the unmistakable Ugly Stik blank with a clear tip design, offering excellent sensitivity and strength. It's equipped with a twist-lock reel seat that keeps your reel securely in place. The comfortable EVA handles provide a secure grip, even in cold and wet conditions. These guides are built to last and ensure smooth line movement. You can find the Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 Ice Fishing Reel and Rod Combo on Amazon for a Black Friday deal price of $29.74, down from $34.99. If you're looking for more options, you might also consider the Shakespeare USG XICE28M Ugly Stik GX2 Ice Fishing Rod, or the Plusino Ultralight Winter Ice Fishing Rod Reel Combo. These alternatives cater to different preferences and needs, so make sure to check them out as well. In summary, the Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 Ice Fishing Reel and Rod Combo is the best ice fishing rod and reel combo you can find on the market. Its heritage, durability, and modern features make it a standout choice for ice anglers of all levels. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deal and get yourself one of the finest ice fishing setups available. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more expert product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy ice fishing!